Yes, good morning children. Hope you all are fine. Yes, let us start with the EVS lesson. Lesson number 12. Play the game. Yes, play the game means you all love to play the games. Now if you be in your school, you'll play the games, you play, you run, you enjoy with your friends. In your house, beside of your neighbors, you play. Inside of your house also you can play. Yes, let us see that in playing the games also you have types of games. See here, two types we have. That is indoor game. Indoor game is they play in your inside of the house, inside of the room, inside of the hall. You can see that indoor game, you can see that snake and ladder, you can play caroms, chess, ludo. You can play in the inside of your house or hall or stadium. Table tennis also you can play inside. Yes or no children? The next point is second one, outdoor games. Outdoor games you can see here cricket. See, you can see cricket, badminton, and you can see kabaddi, and you can see basketball. You have lot of types of playing outside. You can play. You have lot of games in outdoor game. Now see, you love to play cricket, you love to play kho-kho, you love to play badminton, and you love to play lagori. Yes or no children? Yes. You play with the ball, bat. Yes or no? Yes. You love to play the games very much. See, now you can see outdoor game, they play with the ball, bat, they play only in outside. They can play in only outside of the house, in ground. You can play the outdoor games. Which game do you like children? You like? Which game do you like? Yes, everybody likes in different games you like. Yes or no? Yes, you like different games. Now you can see here the cricket they are playing here. See, you can see the cricket here, how they are playing. The bat is here, ball. You have different types of playing here. They are playing here, games they are playing. You can see here. Yes or no children? Then look here children. Now you can see your ringa roses. Your ringa roses, when you are small, when you are in LKG, UKG, now also you can play that ringa roses. Yes or no? Yes, ringa roses you can play. You can play top and thread here. You can play this with stones. They will be playing. Here you can play goli you'll play. Yes or no? Marbles. You play with marbles with your friends. Yes? Yes children. You have lot of games you can play. Here you have a cricket. Here you have a kabaddi. The girls are playing kabaddi there. Yes? Yes. Basketball. This is basketball. The children are playing basketball here. Here they are playing cricket. You can see. You obviously you'll be watching in TV cricket matches. Yes or no? You'll be watching or no? Yes, you can see cricket in your TV also, television also. And skipping, girls will be playing skipping. Yes or no? Here girl is playing skipping. You can see here. Here you can see the girl playing skipping. Here like ludo only. Snake and ladder, ludo. They play, no children? Yes, they play with that and enjoy the day. They enjoy with their friends playing the games. Yes or no children? You have different types of games. Here you see Here you can see here seesaw here. Here this is chess you can see. This is an indoor game. Here hockey. You can see a ball here and you can see hockey bat. How it is? It is not like cricket bat. It is curved. It is curved here. You can see the boys playing hockey there. Football. Football you can see how your football they play with their legs. Their foot. Yes or no children? Yes. And you can see here seesaw. When you go to any park, you can see that seesaw. You will be playing. Yes or no children? Yes. Here brother and sister is playing ball, throw ball. You can see here also. With the ball, they are playing here. And you can see there are different types of games you can see here. Yes children, you can see here different types. Now see here, you can see here volleyball, throw ball, everything you all can play with the ball. Football, volleyball, basketball, every game you can play with the ball. This is top and thread. And you can see skipping here, bat and ball, caroms. You can play snake and ladder with this. You can play snake and ladder. Yes or no children? Yes, you can see different types of games and you love to play the games. You can see here the boy is playing basketball. He is putting a ball in the basket. You can see here. Here the two boys friends are playing with the ball. Throw ball. Throw ball it is. One boy throws the ball. The different boys should catch the ball. And here you can see Lagori here. Lagori. The children are playing Lagori here. Yes or no children? Here you can see there the boys are playing their football. They are playing football here. Here you can see cricket they are playing here. Yes or no children? Yes, you also love to play cricket, throw ball, volleyball, hockey, everything you like to play. Yes or no children? And which game do you like children? What game do you like to play? Yes, you can tell me. What game do you like to play? You like to play cricket? Yes or no? All love to play cricket. Girls like to play Lagori or carom board. Carom board you can see here. Carom board here. Yes, you have in your house carom board children. In our school also we give you all to play carom board. Yes or no? Yes children, hope you all understood this lesson. Thank you children.